Right, orbit. Orbit is on. Come on.
These matches isn't really good.
Try quick.
You're gonna need one of them things lit up like this.
I wouldn't need it like that.
I'm gonna like that.
Yike! Of all of the fireworks, Orbit is my favourite.
Oh, it's canny.
Yeah, out of all the fireworks, Orbit has to be.
An empty crisp packet, that's there. That's what you can see.
Oh, that's what's shining.
Yeah.
Oh, it's colour stained? No, it's just water.
Right. I need to go away.
Okay. Let's get ready to run. Let's get ready to run. Let's get ready to run. Jesus Christ. Oh, go, 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 go.
We have liftoff!
We have liftoff. Get out here. Woo, 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 woo. Wow.
Oh, that one's a canny one. The other one's in the thing.
What have I done with the trout?
Need mine.
I can have the torch just to find the line, please.
There you
There it is.
Oh, is this sunburst? This is sunburst?
Right.
God, I'm windy. Stop making a tornado. So you must do what I want. Wow. That's impressive. They're better stuff than us. Woo! Hiya! Pew, 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 pew.
That was about 20.
Okay, so it's Smokey. Smoker. Damn it, you have gloves.
Alright.
You have gloves. I don't even have my hat.
Right, it's your first rocket, so you got the things ready. Right, come on.
Work. For a hot chair. Quick. Now we gotta. Woohoo! Not very big. I must say that's not very big. And I also must say I got a big mouthful of that smoke. So I'm not too impressed. That you got it. That you got it. Jump in. Woo! Big. Very big. That's a lot of rockets. Art design.
Why have you brought them all?
Because.
No, I didn't mean for you to bring them all out.
Cause he's savage. Cause he's savage.
On the back kitchen and just bring them out one at a time.
Cause he's savage. Yeah, they might get wet. Oh, God. Whoa.
I've dropped them and I kind of bent down to pick them up and I've put them all over the trees.
Well, that's why you should
I'll hold that.
hold that, please, somebody. Right.
I was fine holding them in my
Wait,
hand.
if you drop them, is there a chance they'll blow up?
Yeah.
What? I thought they set off by fire.
Well, but
Oh yeah, it's gunpowder, isn't it?
yeah.
Not pot. Can we get the big in? Big in next. Big in next. Hello? What if I squeeze it? We're getting a big in next. Hey, big in next. I want a big in next, so we're having big in next. Hey, big in next. Yeah. I got a big in. Okay, we got a sky pilot. So yeah, let's go. It's very dark. Yeah, Gamma night tends to be like that. Come on. Oh, that's not very big.
God's a long way off.
Must say yeah. Everybody say yeah.